Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get your Spotify Premium for student. So here I've already opened my Spotify, and to get that Premium student, you just need to go to the Premium tab at the bottom, and in here just scroll down until you find the Premium student packages. Okay, so this one's right here. You can just click on the Get Premium. Then after that, Spotify will direct you to the to verify that you are truly a student. You can just click on next. So in here you need to fill in this form, and to tell about you to Spotify you need to fill in your names, and then your email address, your school, where are you from, and then the name of the school, and also the number, your number. And after that, you can just click on this box right here to check that your data is true, and then click on next. After that, you just need to after Spotify confirm your identity, you just need to proceed with the payment, and then you'll get your Spotify Premium for student. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and please click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.